Good morning, student. In today classes, we start second chapter, classification of business activities. In the previous classes, we studied that there are two type of human activities: economic activities and non-economic activities. Further, we studied there are three type of economic activities: business, profession, and employment. Now come to the business activities, right? In business activities, all the activities which are undertaken in connection with the production of things and carrying them from one place of production to the place of consumption are called the business. The activities which are connected from the production to the consumption, that we call the business activities, right? Its movement, that is the movement of product to the consumer who consume the product, that we call the business. And we know that production take place in industries, right? And consumption through the commerce. Now come to the point, and we said that business activities involved in divided in two part. That one, first one is industry and second one is commerce. Now commerce further classified into two parts: trade and attribute to trade. Yeah, auxiliaries, auxiliaries to trade. Now we studied about the industries, right? The activity connected with the production is called the industries, right? And when these product will transfer from the factory to the consumer is called the commerce. So now we are studying industry first. Industries is that economic activities which undertake the production of goods and services. Industry means production of goods and services. In industries, 3M. There are 3M: machine, material, and man. There they are the resources for the industries. In where the raw material is converted into the finished good, right? And industry include all those activities through which the raw material is converted into the finished product, or And these three goods are manufactured in the industries, right? And what are these three goods? The first one is producer goods. In industry, three kind of goods are produced, like producer goods. Producer goods are those goods which are used in production by other industries, and that we call the production goods. For example, machinery. We produce machinery. This machinery produce another goods. So it's is in producer goods we also call it a capital goods. Machinery. These machineries are manufactured in through the one machines, and these machines is produce goods for consuming, etc. Right. Now come to the second type of goods, consumer goods. Consumer goods. Consumer goods are those goods which are directly we can use, we can consume. For example, cloth. We purchase it from the market and used it. Bread, medicines. We purchase it for consuming. We purchase cloth, bread, and medicines for consuming. That's why we call them consumer goods. Now, the third is intermediate goods. Intermediate goods are those goods that are manufactured in industries for processed. For example, plastic, rubber, and aluminium. It means that intermediate goods are those goods that are manufactured in some industries for the need of other industries like plastic, rubber, aluminium, etc. So, in today's classes, we studied about the type of goods that we make it in a industry. So today you got the basic information about business activities, industries, and type of goods that are manufactured in a industry. So dear students, if you having any problem, you can call me or text me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you, students.